Okay, we're in Windows 8, and we've installed the ASUS suite of tools, and it has an optimization tool, and so we're gonna run it. But first, we've got a CPU fan, fan 1. Gonna have to look this up now. Write that down. Fan 1 is in the front. Fan 2 is also in the front. And fan 3 is in the rear. So we've configured, told the fan controllers where all the different fan locations are. And we're going to start. Okay, it looks like the program's back up, and it looks like it's playing with the fans. The CPU, one of the fans jumped up to, I guess CPU fan jumped up to about 1200 RPMs. The CPU is jumping around between 34 and 38 degrees C. The fan is down, slowly dropping. It's about 400 RPMs now. The fan speed is showing 0 with the CPU temperature about 34, so not sure which fan. Must be the CPU fan. CPU fan is back up to about 300 RPM. CPU is around 34 or 36 degrees C. Looks like it's doing a power cycle test to see what the heat rise is. Now it's back to 0. 1000. CPU's at 38. CPU is at 44. Fan is jumping somewhere between, it's like about 560, 580. Looks like it's ramping up 600. It looks like it may be doing a temperature profile. So it looks like it's going to run the CPU at 4 gigahertz with 100 megahertz bus. That gives me a 40x ratio. For all the cores. Let's see what else we got here. And it's got a little profile of fan speed, a value of the temperature for every 1 watt the CPU power consumes. Okay, so fan calibration. What's next? Oh, for each of the different fans. Huh. All right. Okay, so there we have it. Looks like some more time to play.